Hi, welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll talk about everything about Douyin, the Chinese TikTok. How do you set a profile picture and how do you set a password? Because in the previous video, I show you how to open the account and a lot of people is asking me the question on how to set a password. So we are going to learn that in this video. This is going to be a very short video. We will just see how to set a profile picture, a password, and change your name. Actually, all this is quite similar to TikTok, except everything is in Chinese. So let's get started. So if you still don't know how to download the Douyin app, please follow this video. And after you download the Douyin app, then you can learn how to open a Douyin account using an overseas number. And then this video, we will learn how to set the profile picture and set a password. So let's start by starting our Douyin app.
先来第一种，声东击西，趁别人不注意的时候把球发出去。有时候你可以找video.
So from here, we want to set a password for our Douyin app. We'll click on this one. This is quite similar to the TikTok. This will go to your profile. And then these are the people that I follow, and then this is your name, and then you can set your profile picture here. This message over here is basically telling you, do you want to set it to public or private for the person that you are following? If you set it to private, then nobody can know who you are following. So I think that's fine. It's up to you. This one is to set it to private, and this one is open to public. So I'm going to click that, but the choice is yours. So from here, if you want to change your profile picture, just click on this icon over here. And then you can choose, this one is to select from the album, and this one is to take a picture from your camera. And then you have to allow them to use the camera. And then you can take a selfie for yourself if you want. So I'm just going to set it to this, and once you're satisfied, then you can just click on this button over here to complete it. And you can change your profile picture anytime you want, and then click this one is to acknowledge. Then you have it, your new profile picture. Now to set a password, so and you will open up all this. And then we are going to go to this one here. This button here is basically to go to the setting. So from the setting here, we are going to go to this one, the first one, which is going to your profile. And over here, you'll see your Douyin account. You have to take down this account, and then this is the number that you registered with Douyin. And over here, this one is actually the password. So it is saying that there's no password set right now. So I'm going to set a password. You have to take down this Douyin account number and then your password. So when you set a password, the next time you log in, you can log in with your Douyin account and the password. And so to set a password, we'll just go over to here. This is the password that we have to set. And so just key in the password that you want. Okay, so now I have keyed in my password, and when I click on this one over here, they will send you either a SMS or a call for the OTP. So you need to get your phone number ready. So they have sent me a 4-digit SMS, and I'm going to key that in. So with that, so we have set a password. So we are going to use our Douyin account and password to log in. So let's test our login. So from here to logout, we'll click on this back arrow here and then scroll down all the way. And this is a logout button. So to confirm you're going to log out, then we'll log out of this one. So now we are locked out of the Douyin, so we cannot like or do any other thing. So we are trying to log in with our newly created password. Click on this one over here. And it shows the previous login. So we will click on this one and assume that we are a new user because this one is other account. Okay, so over at the login page, this is where we opened the account before, but because we already have the account, so we are not going to go through the account opening. We already have our account set up and the password set up, so we will just click on this one over here, and then we are just key in our mobile number. So once you key in your mobile number and your password, remember to check this box over here to agree to the term and condition, and then click login. And they always ask you this question: do you want to link your account to a China number, which is the +86? Because we don't have the China number, we are not going to click this button. If you click this button, then you'll get locked out. So we are going to click this one. This is basically to provide a identity card. So we are just keying our name that we registered, and then we will try to skip this process because we don't have a China identity card. So it doesn't matter what number you key in over here, because you won't be able to verify it. So click on this one a couple of times, and then we will try to skip the process to log in, and then try to click back on this back arrow. When you click on this back arrow, they will ask you to skip. This is continue to verify, but we can't verify. So we are going to skip. Click on this skip button, and then you'll get logged in. So this is how you log into the Douyin account, and then you can change your profile, and then you can change any of the setting again. Then you can just change your setting all over again, or you can see which one are you following. So these are the two that I'm following. Then you can start to watch their video. So sometimes it's quite fun to watch some of this video. And just like a TikTok, you can actually fast forward. If you like the video, then you can just press the like. If you want to share the video, just click on the share button. If you want to save it to favorite, just save it to favorite. This is funny. Let me fast forward to the ending part. Just take a look if this girl is going to jump off. Okay, finally. Okay, so that is how you set your Douyin profile picture and set a password. So now you can log in using the password, but there's quite a few steps, so just remember all the steps. Thank you. If you have any question, post in the comment section. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe. I will see you on the next video.